Exam pressure. It's 10 o'clock at night. Gattu and Chinky's studies are still going on. Neither of them can handle the pressure of exams.
Gattu, I'm unable to solve this sum. 833 plus 144. It's literally scaring me. It's scaring me too. I have a feeling this question will definitely appear in the paper. The teachers know which question will trouble everyone. Come on, Gattu, let's concentrate. It's maths exam tomorrow. If we don't get good marks, we'll definitely get a beating from Papa. Oh God, the scolding we got last time, I have not still forgotten. I'll call Goody. She's the topper. Hello? Chinky, so late at night? Goody, please help. How do you solve these sums? These are 3-digit numbers. I am getting confused. Oh, it's simple. Start addition from the last digit. The ones, the tens, and finally the hundreds. Oh, okay. I did not understand it at all. What's there to understand? It just takes practice. Yes, Goody. Okay, bye. Good night. See you at school tomorrow.
Just then, Mummy enters the room.
Still awake? How much syllabus is done? Mummy, revision is going on. Revision or tension? You kept playing for so many days. Now on the last night, you'll remember everything.
Hearing Mummy's voice, Papa also comes into the room. Kids, exam is not a surprise party. Planning is done in advance.
Papa, there's just a little bit left.
A little bit? Or the entire thing?
Alright, study for another 30 minutes, then go to sleep. A tired mind doesn't retain anything.
The next morning, Gattu and Chinky are having breakfast at the dining table.
Kids, have some curd and sugar for good luck. We really need that good luck right now. Yes, Mummy, give us.
After eating the good luck curd, Gattu and Chinky head off to the school. Outside the exam hall, Gattu and Chinky check in with each other.
ID card? Yes. Pens? Yes. Geometry box? Geometry box? Geometry box? Oh no. What happened? I forgot it at home. What? How will you use the compass then? I will have to draw a circle with a pencil now. This isn't a drawing class, Gattu.
Just then the bell rings and Gattu and Chinky enter the class and sit at their respective places. The teacher enters the class and suddenly the whole class falls silent.
Good morning, class. Sit down. Keep your bags outside. Gattu, why are you standing like the Statue of Liberty? Ma'am, I forgot the geometry box on exam day. Very careless. Fine. Chinky, share your box. But both of you use it quietly. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Teacher starts distributing the answer sheet.
Section A seems very easy. Nothing is looking easy to me.
Monty, who is sitting on the back bench, quietly asks Goody.
Goody, what is the answer to question 3, 24 or 42?
Goody completely ignores Monty. And then Monty's attention goes towards Chinky.
Chinky, please. Monty, be quiet. Monty, why are you talking? Ma'am, I was just asking for a pencil. Pencil or answers?
Monty doesn't stop his mischief.
Goody, my future is in your hands. Your future was in your book when you were supposed to study.
At that moment, the teacher comes and stands near Monty's desk.
Stand up. Since you love standing out, go outside and kneel down. Ma'am, please, this is my last chance. Exactly. You should have used it wisely.
Last 1 hour is left for the exam to finish. But Chinky was looking quite stressed.
Oh no, I have 5 questions left. So much of my time got wasted because of Monty. Focus. What's the time? 1 hour left. 5 questions in this much time? How will I be able to complete them?
Saying this, Chinky quickly starts finishing the paper.
Kids, 15 minutes left.
Hearing this, Chinky starts writing the paper with even more speed. But just then, the bell rings.
Time's up. Stop writing. Ma'am, last line. Pens down.
Gattu Chinky come home after the exam. So kids, how was the paper?
It was fine. I made a little careless mistake. I missed one question. Why? Monty was disturbing me. Then the time ran out.
Kids, you'll always find a Monty in the world. Distractions are everywhere.
And Papa, I forgot the geometry box.
Exactly. Preparation isn't just about studying. It's about planning too.
You should have packed your bags the night before.
Understand time management. In the exam hall, read the entire paper first. Tackle easy questions first, difficult ones later.
Papa, I got stressed out.
Oh dear, stress is natural. But discipline is essential.
Meaning no last minute drama next time.
Absolutely. And never take shortcuts like Monty did. Just then the doorbell rings. Chinky opens the door and standing right there is Monty.
Sorry, uncle. And ma'am has asked to see her parents tomorrow.
Oh, why?
There was a bit of misunderstanding. A kneeling misunderstanding.
Look kids, exams isn't just a test of marks, but of your habits.
Papa, before the next exam, we'll create a complete timetable. And we'll keep our geometry box in advance. And I will try not to do cheating.
Try.
I mean, I won't do it.
Saying this, Monty runs off from there.
Come, have your dinner now.
At the dinner table, seeing the gloomy expressions on Gattu Chinky's faces, Mummy Papa start thinking. What are you two thinking about? Remember, focus, discipline and planning. Only then will pressure ease. You should always stay well prepared to avoid last minute problems. Then only we will be able to handle bigger challenges in life.
Yes, Papa, we understand. And we will always remember this lesson. So now stop worrying and finish your dinner in peace.
And in this way, Gattu and Chinky learn a valuable life lesson.
चमकीली आंखें नौटी सी है हंसी करते ये कुछ भी इनमें हिम्मत है सी जूनियर समझ के तुम धोखा ना खाना गट्टू और चिंकी को सबने है माना उनके जलवों का पिटारा पुटुन टिट्स ये हमारा उनके टैलेंट का नजारा पुटुन टिट्स ये हमारा ये जलवों का पिटारा पुटुन टिट्स ये हमारा उनके टैलेंट का नजारा पुटुन टिट्स ये हमारा चलते रहते हजारों ही सवाल साइंस हो या कल्चर हम सीखे इनके साथ फुल जोश में मनाते ये सारे ही त्योहार घर में हो या बाहर सब करते इनसे प्यार कभी स्पोर्ट्स में ना हारा